Hello everyone, welcome to the Power BI course. Today we are going to learn one more visual in this Power BI visualization series, and that is a scatter chart or bubble chart. Now this chart reveals a lot of information of the large data set, and it shows mainly relationships between two numerical values. It visually emphasizes the value differences with variable bubble size and present the financial data in visual rather than the numerical form. So the simplest example of the scatter chart, which shows the correlation between the two variables, is the cold drink sales maybe. You can see that really it spikes up in summer because the temperature high. So between the temperature and the cold drink sales, if you plot the scatter chart, then you can see the relationships and you can reveal more patterns within that. So we are going to take a different data set though. Let's look at that data set. I'm going to open up Power BI and let me pull up my visual. By the way, there was a query from the viewer about how to get this new look in Power BI, where the visualization panel now is in home ribbon. If you are interested to know about that and the new features as well with the new look, then please go ahead and watch the previous video, and you also can get the new look in your Power BI. So let's get the scatter chart and let's get some data. So as I said that the scatter chart is all about to reveal two numerical values correlation. So I'm going to get on x-axis my total sales, and on y-axis then I'm going to get profit. And now it shows in form of one dot because both are numerical values and it's summarized. However, in the legends, let me get our category. So I'm going to get brand name. So it goes in the legend itself. Now we have about 9 brands, and as you can see that because I plotted profit over sales, so usually you can see strong relationship between two, and the same thing here as well. You can see the strong correlation between two. However, there is little bit up and down as well. So let me increase the font size so you can properly see it. X-axis, then Y-axis font size. Okay, and then let me get the legends font size as well and legends position as well. So I'm going to put it on the right, center right. That will be good. So that, and let's see now. So I'm going to get my marker size increased as well, so you can see properly. So marker size is under the shape and you can increase the size a little bit bigger. Now this is scatter chart. Now if I put it something in a size, then it will become a bubble chart. So I'm going to use to see the volume of my total sales by brand. So let's put it that total sales here, total sales, and so you can see the bubble size as well. Let me put it back my shape little bit smaller so we can see properly. Okay. So that is our bubble chart, and let's see that how we can analyze the data here. So now as you can see our 9 brands here, and this brand on the total sales at the max. So you can see that this brand has a high volume on the sales. It also has the high profit as well. If you put it your profit, let's see. Okay, so high profit as well, sorry. And you can see all the brands on that parameters, right? So now our lowest volume and the lowest brand or the lowest profit brand is this brand, which is Northwind Traders. And this is our best brand. So if you are maybe, let's say, working on that kind of analysis, that which brand is most profitable for your business, in that case, then this chart reveals a lot more information, which you might not get from other chart. It still has a one more feature where you can add the display axis, and if you add the time variable here, then you can see the, let's see, put it month here. So you can animate these brands over time as well. So let's see here. Yeah, as you can see that in month of March, this sales decrease. So usually our sales is 200 million because this bubble was there. And now it's just like 125 somewhere, 118 millions. So, and the profit as well decreased that proportion. So you can understand the time variable here, that which month sales are looks like high and low. And some of the brands may not change that much, but some will change drastically. So that is the, like this tiny brand is not really moving that much. As you can see here, it's because it's very tiny as well, and also it doesn't move much. So you can clearly say that these brand products, maybe last 3 brands, those 3 needs to work on their products and how they can improve quality or marketing, those kind of things. So this is about a bubble chart. Let's see some formatting. So now you can add some ratio line or those kind of formatting here as well. You can add the zoom slider here and things like that. Okay, so you can maybe see the things closely, right? That is the beauty of this new look. Let me see, there is something specific for this visual. So that is maybe, yeah, this shape. So you can, this is a usual that you can select the shape, but this range scaling. So this deprecated, that is now Power BI do not use that. That shows in old version. But now they have these 3 things. Auto, which selects the range scaling itself. Then there is a magnitude. Magnitude uses a bubble size based on just a value, not positive or negative. So if it's -10 and +10, then magnitude size will be same for both. It ignores basically minus or plus. So the data range uses the smallest value is showing up as a small bubble and the large value shows as the large bubble. So that is new thing. The color, category label, plot area background, that same thing. The reference lines as well we learn on couple of visuals, but you can add the reference lines according to your preference. And you can choose the type like this. Usually we use average or median line. So that is that. Now make sure when you use that where do you use this. So currently it shows on the x-axis. So pick the series accordingly. So my series is, I wanted to show on profit. So that front. So that is about all on this bubble chart. Now the bubble chart reveals a lot of information here, and make sure that what you use, what parameter you use on what. Usually the correlation between the two numerical value. When both increase at that time, you see your bubble here. When both decrease at that time, you see your bubble here. Now, for example, if I change something here, like my currently my bubble size is like this based on my total sales, but if I use like my profit margin, then you can see that suddenly it becomes all are similar size to each other. Why is that? Because this product has a small volume and small profit. However, the percentage wise, it still stays competitive, like 57% of the profit margin, and our best product has around 58 plus percent margin. So they are still close, and that's why the bubble size shows similar. So make sure whenever you use the parameter here, that what do you use for the size, so your consumers does not get confused that what it shows. So guys, this is all about the scatter and the bubble chart. If you like the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching.